everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I recently got a box from Tina, and you made that, and she's like my close friend, sister, twin. She is just too great, and I'm so blessed to have her as my friend. And she sent me, look at how cute this tree is, and you might have to go back and look at the card again, but it's just really pretty. Look how cute. And she puts a tag on what I'm supposed to do. She just thinks of everything, and is just adorable, and she's so creative. She makes me so many homemade things that I'm just shocked at her talent. And she knows I like Stampin' Up! Now, and so look at these sprinkles, and look at how creative she is with all these charms and keychains. And she made some for my kids, and the card is for the whole family, and she spelled our names all right, which is it's a bonus. And I just can play with all these all day. They're so cute. I love Gingies, and she knows that. She loves them too. And look at this ornament. I'm gonna put it on my tree. I just wanted to share because I am going to put this one on my tree, and I wanted you to see just what she made me. So great. And then she sent me some crafts too. So Stampin' Up! Is enamel dots there. Look at this stamp from Stampendous. I love it. I love that cup. I love that sentiment. Just everything is just so cute, perfect for spring and or any time. And all these sentiments are so beautiful. And sorry for the glare. And so I was reading some of these, and like, thank you for being a ray of sunshine in my life. I love that one up above on the right. And that's what Tina is. So yay, thank you, Tina, for everything. And I will put Tina's YouTube channel down so you can follow her, because she's so creative. And look at this stamp set. So cute. I love these hippos. That's just adorable. And so it's my first Stampin' Up! Stamp. So it's so great. I love the rubber stamp. So I'm going to use those. Yay. So I am going to share. I forgot another thing she sent me, which was this paint. So it's a Snowfall Accents puff paint. So yay. So thank you, Tina, and thank you for watching.